Your brain is a remarkable forgery detector. You can look at a face and, in an instant, process thousands of micro-expressions, skin textures, and subtle asymmetries to know you're looking at a real person. But an artificial intelligence doesn't look for the things you do. It sees ghosts in the machine. It's looking for the imperceptible artifacts left behind not by a human artist, but by the physical laws governing a camera sensor. An AI is searching for the clues we are biologically blind to. Every digital camera, including the one in your phone, has a unique fingerprint. It's called Photo Response Non-Uniformity, or PRNU. Microscopic manufacturing defects mean each pixel on the sensor responds to light slightly differently. This creates a faint, invisible noise pattern, a static signature unique to that specific device. A real video has one consistent PRNU signature, but a deepfake, stitched together from different sources, often has conflicting patterns or a strangely clean synthetic smoothness where a fingerprint should be. The AI isn't asking, "Does this look real?" It's asking, "Which camera shot this?" And when the answer is none or too many, the forgery is exposed. But the clues go deeper than the hardware, into the realm of biology. An AI can be trained to spot impossible physiology. Early deepfakes often failed to blink realistically because their training data sets were mostly still photographs where people's eyes were open. But now, detectors look for blood, or rather, the absence of its effect. Your heart pumps blood through your face, causing microscopic changes in skin color, a subtle rhythmic pulse. It's called a photoplethysmogram, and an AI can track it. If a face on screen has no discernible, consistent heartbeat, it might not be a real living face. The AI becomes a digital doctor, checking for vital signs that a forger forgot to program. The forger's challenge is to perfectly replicate the physics of our world. Consider the reflections in someone's eyes. You can often see the faint image of a window or a lamp. These are called Purkinje images. A real person in a real room will have consistent reflections across both corneas. The size, shape, and distortion of these reflected lights should match a plausible 3D space. Many generative models, however, build a face pixel by pixel without a true understanding of the 3D environment it supposedly inhabits. The result? Reflections that might be mismatched, distorted, or simply absent. To an AI, this isn't just a mistake, it's a violation of the laws of optics. This entire conflict is an arms race played out between two sides of the same technology. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, involve two AIs locked in a battle. One, the generator, creates a fake image. The other, the discriminator, tries to decide if it's real or fake. Every time the discriminator succeeds, the generator learns and makes a better fake next time. But every time the generator succeeds, the discriminator gets better at spotting forgeries. They endlessly sharpen each other's abilities, pushing both creation and detection to new heights. A constant spiral of improvement. It's evolution at digital speed. This escalating battle has led to a fundamental shift in strategy. Instead of just getting better at spotting fakes, the focus is shifting to proving what's real. Projects like the Content Authenticity Initiative are building a system where a camera can cryptographically sign a video the instant it's captured. This creates a secure manifest of metadata, a digital birth certificate that travels with the file. Any edit or manipulation would break the seal. The goal is not to hunt for forgeries, but to create a world where authentic media is instantly verifiable, a chain of custody for pixels. So where does this leave us? When your own eyes can be fooled, and the final arbiter of truth is a cryptographic hash, what does it mean to witness something? The detection of a deepfake is no longer about finding a glitchy animation. It's about forensics at the level of physics, biology, and data integrity. The evidence of reality is shifting from our own perception to a mathematical proof buried in the data itself. Believing what you see is becoming an act of trusting the algorithm that verified it for you.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.